Hello world. Now it is official, Gemini CLI is also supporting skills. So what was originally invented by Anthropic, the same as MCP by the way, is also happening with skills now, which means that at first it was only available in Claude Code, and then it was also copied into Codex, and now it's also available in the Gemini CLI, at least according to the documentation. So as you can see here, I already opened Gemini CLI, and if I try to take a look at the skills here, so if I click there and go to /skills, I can't see it so far, even if I updated my Gemini CLI to the latest, but maybe it's already available for you, I don't know. So basically the idea is that we have the same structure as we already know it. Here you have an option or an example for a skill which contains of a name, and then a description, and then additional information, which is quite longer on what the skill actually does, right? In this case, this is just code patterns. But what basically happens is that our large language model is only reading the description at the beginning, which means we avoid the same problem we face with MCP servers, that we have some kind of context rot, because too much is put into the context, which is not required. So far so good. Now, where can you find it? If you go to the official documentation of Gemini CLI, you find that there are agent skills now available. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find that the great thing here is it is exactly the same structure as we already know. So if you have already created some skills inside Claude or inside Codex, you can actually reuse them also in Gemini CLI. So if you scroll down, you find there are project-specific skills and there are user-specific skills, right? So you can put it in the project folder, in the .gemini file, in this case folder, and then in the skills folder, or you could put it for your user so it's globally available, as you can see here. Same is true for Claude regarding the setup, by the way. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you also find, that's what I mentioned already, that the structure is exactly the same. You have a name in here for the skill, you have a description for the skill, and then of course later on you can then have much more information, which in this case Gemini or Claude or all the other kinds of models would pick up on demand, so to speak. So like progressive disclosure, right, without polluting the context window up front. So that's basically the idea. So as I said, there's also an example here, but as I said, for me it's not available. Otherwise I would have already shown it to you in this video, but at least you can see that it should be available very soon. So please update your Gemini CLI to the latest and then give it a try, and it might already be available for you. So if you got some comments, let me know. Otherwise, if you liked the video, it was short, but hopefully it was helpful. And as always, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.